Louisville HVAC Pros is improving AC repair with advanced diagnostic tools for faster service. We offer high-quality, energy-efficient replacements for improved cooling efficiency. Customized solutions cater to unique needs of every home and commercial space. Ongoing maintenance programs are available to extend AC lifespan and prevent breakdowns. Customers are relieved with our professional and friendly service for HVAC needs. Upgrade your AC experience with Louisville HVAC Pros for efficient and reliable service during the summer heat. Our crews are ready to take care of you. Click the link in the description to find out more.